What can affect the life cycle?
Good question, Vani. The answer is lots of things can affect plant or animal life cycles.
What are some examples?
Let's find out. Predators, or enemies, can also affect life cycles.
Oh, like a frog eating a fly?
Exactly. For the cycle to continue, living things reproduce. It's a bit hard to reproduce if another animal has eaten you. Changes to the weather can bring things such as drought, storms, or floods. Living things need access to food for nutrition or water.
Hey, who turned out the lights?
All living things need sunlight in order to survive. Some life cycles require fire, such as the Banksia seed, which, as you can see, after a fire opens its pod and releases its seed. Pollution can affect a life cycle by putting toxins into the environment in which we live in, such as in this picture.
Yuck!
I know. Living things live in a place which we call their habitat. Without a habitat, they don't have the safety and security from being attacked by predators or exposure to things such as drought, floods, or storms. Does that give you some examples, Vani, of how life cycles can be affected?
Yes.
That's great to hear, but these are only some examples. Maybe the biologist could have a think about any other ways in which life cycles can be affected, or maybe how different life cycles can interact with other life cycles, such as how could a human life cycle affect a plant life cycle? We'll leave that one to the biologists. Spoken by Kate Mason
And Varney Mason. Thank you for listening.